We come to college not just to learn what's in the books, but to collaborate, share, and be a part of the community. If there is one place where people can come together in order to achieve their academic goals, their personal goals, that should be the library.
For decades, libraries really were seen and used as warehouses for books, when books were the primary and sometimes only materials that were in libraries. Now, libraries are seen as spaces for a lot of different types of learning to happen.
Libraries should always be evolving, right? Because they are part of a community and they need to reflect and respond to community needs. And so we want the physical collection and additional resources to better reflect the kinds of questions our faculty and our students and our staff are asking.
The library needs a facelift. It should be where you go to have your best work done.
Structurally, our library is sound. Conceptually, it is illogical for today's learner. We need and want our library to serve as the heart of this learning community and itself become a space for vital connection and work. A space for our community of students, faculty, and staff to work and learn together in a collaborative, more contemporary environment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very excited to make the first public announcement right now that earlier this month, Juniata was very fortunate to receive the lead gift necessary to proceed with the reimagining of Beeghly Library. Tim and Kathy Statton, you have taken our breath away with your cash gift of $3 million to make this a reality.
Even though I know a library is a quiet place, I believe that there should be some amount of productive noise and just people sharing ideas, collaborating, working on their projects, and just building a community.
The hallmark of a learning commons is flexibility. So flexible spaces that might seem like what we want for the next, say, 5 years, but that undoubtedly will change as well as the higher education, teaching and learning landscape changes. The learning commons can grow and be flexible along with that.
We're reimagining the contemporary library. We also want it to be able to grow and adapt to things we haven't yet imagined. While I can picture students partnering with their laptops, I don't know where we'll be in 10 or 20 years, and we're trying to create a space where we will continue to be both responsive and anticipate the needs of contemporary learners.
Knowing that the library is going to utilize its full potential and offer more resources for professors, for students, for classes, for presentations, it makes me wish that I was going to be here when it's completed.